Today I have another cooking basics video for you. I'm going to show you how to make creamy peanut butter in your blender. And I have about 1.5 cups of dry roasted peanuts here. You can use raw peanuts if you want. These are lightly salted as well, so I'm not going to add any additional salt. I'm not using any sugar in this peanut butter. I'm going to use a little bit of honey just to add a little bit of flavor. But that's what's so cool about making peanut butter at home, is you have complete control over it. And so I will take these peanuts and put them right inside my blender. And then I'm going to put just a couple squirts of honey in there. And sometimes you can add a little bit of oil to it, and that'll make it a little bit creamier, like peanut oil. Imagine that, using peanut oil in peanut butter. And so I'm just gonna put about a teaspoon of oil in here, but oil is not necessary. It'll come out fine if you don't use the oil. And then I'm gonna turn this on, and I'm gonna crank it up to high. As you can see, it's doing a great job. It only takes about probably 45 seconds to about a minute in the blender. I'm gonna go just a little bit longer. And I just did a really small batch. All right. And that is some awesome peanut butter. And then sometimes you may want to go in with like a spatula or spoon and kind of just dig down a little bit more. You may want to add some more oil to it or some more honey. All right, here we go. Look how nice and creamy that is. Awesome. Mmm.